Billy the Bear explores nature. Billy the Bear was sitting in his den. He decided to go out for a walk. He wanted to explore nature, so he climbed up a hill. He saw the blue sky above and a beautiful river flowing below. He saw two birds flying over the river. He felt the green grass under his feet. He saw the mountains far away. He saw a ladybug flying near him. He saw a squirrel at the bottom of a tree. The squirrel climbed to the top as quickly as he could. A quiet little mouse stood in front of a rock. Looking at the bear, she quickly hid behind the rock. The bear thought it was time to go back home, so he climbed down the hill and returned to his den.